na onse nche bia na mpanimfo de betu dwa se o my Ghana yenya afa ahodie no mfinhia aduresiansia mu nie na afi bia no ye be hyefa ne fa no ye di frimantem we mu afi etoso no na komantem foforo na afi die no ho na eko na eko yes afra mantem mu ahenkro ho no na mpanimfo wo hodo mu afa ato ho so mansi no assembly ahu se ho akohia se wo mu yensiesie sronko e wo krom ho no se be ya awoho ba no ani bejepa
6 March ho efa no mpanimfo ekyerese okakodi ewo framantem mu esanse dwumadi Kasee sei eba mantem ni monti mansi no assembly ene mpanimfo asinkonya ehwe ekwan ya wo befa so aboa amadwumadi no aye kama enunti wapa oxygen city promotion clean up exercise ehun toma wo be hyase ogefo bosome de tosudun sia de akosi na dio nunum so sebe ya obetibe ede aprapra montene na afei kronimu ate wo hye kwan se dwumadi no ebekoso Municipal Coordinating Director ene Ora Frederick Akiti no ne Adom Kasee twetwe nkomo e de sentia o de say dwumadi be hyehye so etu.
Yeah, we are very much impressed at the participation of the high level personnel that came. The objective of holding this meeting is to inform the public on the need to keep our environment clean, especially with the coming of the celebration of the 60th anniversary. We expect that we're expecting visitors into the municipality. We expect that when they come, they should come healthy and live healthy. So that is a responsibility for the municipality to ensure that we clean every corner, every places in the municipality, so that we have a very good environment for them to enjoy.
Nanusi Yape and a regional environmental officer, Ma Mr. Lakumajuro enso editu jase, omanfo emfa won ho, emehye se adwumadi emu, sebe ya, oni ne mpotemu ebetie, isanse enipa pii, eni frɛ chichi ne bencheye ebebebie.